This collaborative project has been based on extensive research by Teagasc and has resulted in the development of a new service for industry, in particular to support the dairy industry.
This project involves the analysis of chlorate residues in food, and the project came about due to demands from the dairy industry, which were driven by international changes in legislation.
The research from Teagasc has exceeded our expectations in terms of what it can deliver for us and the industry. Right from the start of this project, we got advice in terms of the design of the lab, from the purchase of the equipment, recommendations for the consumables, and then obviously the SOP itself and standardising the method for testing those samples within the laboratory. We were very quickly able to set up a laboratory and offer a test commercially within a couple of months, which we just wouldn't have been able to if we had to go alone.
So the project has really helped enhance the reputation of Teagasc in being able to support industry, and in particular in that wider agri-food sector for Ireland. So enhancing the reputation both at home and abroad is significant, but equally well, there is further engagement happening between the researchers and industry, and we are hopeful that that will lead to new research collaborations and other sources of revenue, both for Teagasc and for the industry partners.
In Teagasc, we are a research lab and we provide a specialist service for industry. So when we get the opportunity with a technology like this to transfer to laboratories and that industry can take up this technology, we're on a winner.
It was very simple. The lab was up and running within a couple of months, and we were able to offer that service then commercially very, very quickly. We just wouldn't have been able to do that if we had to start from scratch and have to do research ourselves. If the TTO wasn't there, we wouldn't be where we are in terms of being able to offer this as a commercial test. We would have, like, development of that method took, years within Teagasc. So if industry had to start from scratch, we wouldn't have been able to actually implement that as quickly as it was. We wouldn't have met the deadline for the EU legislation either, so it just wouldn't be in place at all without the TTO.
The KTI Awards are hugely significant to technology transfer offices across Ireland. It provides a really good opportunity for our offices to showcase how we are working with industry, and in particular the impacts that emerge from technology transfer. These awards provide an opportunity to show Ireland on the world stage as to what difference research is making, both locally, globally and internationally.